What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and brush my teeth.
Who wakes up early in your family?
My dad wakes up early.
When do you usually eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Why is breakfast important?
Breakfast provides energy for the day.
How do you get to work school?
I take the bus to school.
What time does your school work start?
It starts at 8:30 a.m.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom helps me with my homework.
What do you do for exercise?
I go for a jog in the evening.
Where do you go after school work?
I go home after school.
How long do you spend on social media each day?
I spend about 30 minutes on social media.
Why do you watch TV in the evening?
I watch TV to relax.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading mystery novels.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them once a month.
When do you clean your room?
I clean my room on Saturdays.
When do you usually have for dinner?
I have rice and vegetables for dinner.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
My mom cooks dinner.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I take a hot bath to relax.
Why do you go to bed early?
I go to bed early to get enough sleep.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I wake up at 9 a.m. on weekends.
Where do you like go on weekends?
I like to go to the park.
How often do you check your emails?
I check my emails every hour.
Why do you eat out sometimes?
I eat out when I don't feel like cooking.